Hey CHS, I'm Victoria.
And I'm Nicky Johnston, and this is Columbia Cougar.
Hi, I'm Mr. Sanchez, and this is Columbia Cougar News.
All this week, juniors will be taking the 11th grade graduation exams. All juniors should report to the school at the normal time, but all freshmen, sophomores, and seniors should report to the school at 10 a.m. The schedule is as follows on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 1, 5, 6, 7, 2, and 3, and on Tuesday, Thursday, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
Thank you to everyone for the overwhelming response last week in donating to help those in Ukraine. Due to that amazing response, coupled with shipping and logistical issues, the church is currently calling for a pause of all donation of physical goods. But you can still help by donating directly to the church's PayPal account by going to the link below. Or you can bring your monetary donations directly to Mr. Barkowski.
Make sure to check out the Columbian website and see Annabelle Mecca's piece on Ukraine Explained to understand the Russian invasion better. That and other articles are published regularly, so check that out at the chscolumbian.com or follow them on Instagram.
If you missed out on seeing Newsies this past weekend, here's some of what you missed.
And what of it? Are you stupid or what? Your famous the world is your oyster. Your what? Your oyster. Your oyster. Your fancy clam with a pearl inside. Wait. How much does being famous even pay? You don't need money when you're famous. Then you do whatever you want. Right? Such as... shoes with matching laces. A permanent box at the sheets and races. Call me on ride with a stop on pick. A person don't push on more than they go. Look at me, I'm the king. Suddenly, I'm the sparrow staring right at your lousy mustache. No, I'm getting lots of blowing my jaw would go with the lots. And there'll be hanging out pretty. It's my city. I'm the king. Circle watching the chickens swirling. Imperial bed into its curlings. Shop hair, something off the floor. A regular ring for the star reporter. Different home. She's the king of New York. I'm the king of New York. We will stop.
But if you did miss out on seeing the show, you're in luck because it's back for another round of performances. Shows are this Friday and Saturday at 7:30 p.m. and on Sunday at 2 p.m. Get your tickets and go to the link below. Tickets cost $12, $15, or $20 based on location. And make sure to zoom the screen out to see the balcony seats.
The CHS HSA is once again hosting the annual pop-up prom shop. The shop offers seniors free formal wear and accessories. Please keep the shop in mind for donations, including new and gently worn formal attire, jewelry, accessories, and dress shoes. Donations are being accepted in the front lobby.
Attention singers, if you are interested in joining one of the CHS choirs next year, visit the link down below to learn more and sign up for a placement audition. For more information, you can email Mr. Diaz or see him at C237.
And the Key Club is having a book drive. You can drop off books in the main lobby.
Congratulations to the Model UN on their success at the Ivy League Model UN Conference. The team competed against more than 1,000 students from across the country and won a number of awards, including CCN's very own Daria Gordon, who was named one of the best delegates.
Reminder to all families, please submit your child's proof of COVID-19 vaccination. This information helps make the contact tracing and communication process much easier and more effective.
Now joining us at the desk with a very important announcement is our very own Nicky Johnston.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Columbia Cougar Cooking.
I'm Nicky.
And I'm Peter.
Hello.
And today we're going to be
making
making
some
delicious pizza. Oh yeah!
First ingredient you'll need is some unbleached all-purpose flour.
We'll be adding the bleach later. The next step is to lightly drizzle some tomato sauce onto the bread. You know, really just go for it.
Then you'll be able to spread it around. My favorite spreading device is some cheese. And it's convenient because you'll want to leave the cheese on here anyway for the pizza. Now that we have the basics ready on the plate, you'll want to set the oven to 242 degrees. We just pop that bad boy open and slide it in on a ceramic plate, don't forget.
If you want a really tasty taste, you might want to throw in some metal cutlery as well.
We just take that bad boy out.
And now we just need to give it some cooling time.
And that's how you make a delicious pizza.
Oh yeah.
Those are all of your announcements for this week. I'm Mr. Sanchez.
And I'm Victoria. Remember, teachers, club advisors, team captains, if you have an announcement you want read on our show, make sure to email Mr. Camp.
Have a great week, everyone, and make sure to tune in every Monday at the top of period 2. And check out the CCN YouTube channel for more great content at Columbia Cougar News.